Best apple cider vinegar drink recipe tips you will read this year. Apple cider vinegar and getting rid of heartburn? The two don't seem to go together. In fact, the thought of drinking even the smallest amount of vinegar when acid is backwashing into your throat and esophagus sounds counterproductive. Vinegar has a high acid content. You want to curb the acid. Why would you expect apple cider vinegar to do the job? Apple cider vinegar is a folk remedy for getting rid of heartburn. In fact, it is the top folk remedy for heartburn and acid reflux. Recipe for relief. Taking apple cider vinegar for heartburn relief is quite simple. Simply stir 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into 1/2 cup of water or apple juice. Drink this immediately after each meal. If your problem is acid reflux, and you have just had a heavy meal, increase the amount of apple cider vinegar and decrease the amount of water or juice. Another option is to mix a cocktail of the following: 1 quart apple juice, 1 pint purple grape juice, 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar. Drink 1/2 cup after every meal for heartburn relief. Recipes that use apple cider vinegar for getting rid of heartburn vary greatly. This is because individual bodies also vary greatly. Try different amounts of apple cider vinegar until you find what works for you. Some people have found that one brand or another works better for them. Again, the difference is due to the variations in physical makeup. How apple cider vinegar remedies heartburn. Little research has been done on the effectiveness of apple cider vinegar for heartburn relief. Consequently, it is difficult to say how apple cider vinegar remedies heartburn. It appears that the acid content in vinegar somehow tells the stomach to stop producing more acid. Perhaps, in that way, apple cider vinegar is like the prescription medications that shut down the stomach's acid pumps to stop heartburn. Nexium, for example, is said to relieve heartburn symptoms by inhibiting the secretion of acid produced in the stomach. From the Ask Doc web, it is possible that apple cider vinegar relieves heartburn symptoms in the same way. Apples may help as much as apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar does not taste good to most people. Because of that, some have tried eating a few slices of apple after a meal, and have gotten rid of heartburn that way. Not every apple works for heartburn, though. Some stick to green apples such as Granny Smith. Others recommend Jonagold apples for heartburn relief. Some recommend eating a few slices of Jonagold apple with a coop of dill pickle spears. It's apple cider vinegar for heartburn without resorting to basic vinegar. Helpful tip: if you can get over the taste of apple cider vinegar, you will find it one of the most important natural remedies in healing the body. Caution: the author is not a medical profession. The information in this article